Hi, welcome back to the channel. I try to do this as quick as possible. Please make sure you've looked at version number 1 6-7 months ago when I did my review of having the Samsung WindFree air conditioner, why I chose the WindFree air conditioner, and etc. etc. This is a 6-7 month follow-up, pros and cons, some of the things I don't like, some of the things I love, and some things that could definitely be improved, especially like the manual. Firstly, when ordering this, I got to maintain that I recently went back to the stores just to look at people's selection today. It is so complicated. If you look here, it's how do you know which model to buy? And unfortunately, I found the staff, as with all air conditioners, not particularly well trained. They can't really answer questions. So make sure you do your research, a lot of research. The other thing I want to apologize to is some people have purchased the WindFree air conditioner. I didn't know they do models without Wi-Fi. In fact, I can't even find ones in Thailand without Wi-Fi, but in some countries it seems that way. And some people don't have Wi-Fi in their house for whatever reason, and therefore some of the best features, they're not getting the best features. When you get the warnings that come up on the phone to say, clean your air filter now, how much electricity you could save if you change to this mode. They're missing out on a lot of features by not having the Wi-Fi. I think the Wi-Fi is one of the great things I love about this. Also, let me know in the comments, and I got many questions, what mode, there's many modes on the remote. I use now the automatic. Why do I use the, excuse me, why do I use the automatic mode? Because I find that it cools it down to where you want very quickly. Once it gets into that mode, it automatically, using AI, goes into the WindFree mode, which is fantastic. To my knowledge, this is still the only air conditioner brand that offers that WindFree mode. By that I mean, you can sit directly under it as I am now. You don't hear a thing, and the wind is not blowing on you, but it keeps the whole place to the same temperature. It's fantastic. Highly recommended. So the product itself is marvelous. The marketing and the leaflet going out to buy one, the naming is like you've got the Samsung WindFree Air, and then it's got like 15 or 20 digits. I'm sure they could come up with something better. WindFree Economy, WindFree Basic, WindFree Deluxe, you know, just something a bit easier to remember on which one. And list all the benefits of one versus the other. That's not available. Other things, what else was I going to say? I did have, in the 6 months, I've had it serviced once, only a few weeks ago, about 4 or 5 weeks ago. Normally 2 people come out. This time I only one person was sick, unfortunately, but the one person did a great job. I got the person from the repair company itself. Sorry, I got the service people to come out directly from the company where I bought it from. That way, if there's ever a problem with the warranty, I can say, look, you guys repaired it. I haven't used an outside third-party company because that could be their get-out clause. They could say, oh, they messed it up. I'm just saying, and the difference in price is insignificant. So get it serviced from where you bought it or from Samsung Direct. I don't think you'll find much difference in the price. I've had a small leak from the compressor outside. I'll show you a photograph here. Since I noticed that leak, I do the self-cleaning more frequently using the phone app. And I haven't had the leak since. Let me know if you're getting any, when I say the word leak, just a few drops of water, nothing major. Maybe it's normal. Someone says it's quite normal to get that. Let me know what mode you use. Do you use the economy mode, the WindFree mode, auto mode? Let me know. I still dislike this enormously, the actual remote that comes with it. I think it's the same as most remotes that come with most air conditioners, but the type on this is so small. It's not, it belongs to 10 years ago technology. Now, I have noticed they do advertise a much better one, similar to their Samsung TV remote, photograph here of the remote in question. But so far, I can only find it available in Bangladesh, and you have to buy the air conditioner to go with it. So if you can get it in your country, let me know, and let me know how much it is. Photograph here. I'll also put a separate screenshot right now up for a few seconds, so you can photograph it and send it to your Samsung service repair people. Let me know if you can get it in your country. The other thing, there's a contradiction. I find that to clean the filter is still a bit of a pain. It only takes a few minutes, but you do it yourself. Some parts in the manual, it says you do it every 2 weeks. Some parts it says every 4 weeks. Some parts says you only do it when there's a warning on your phone. What do you know? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts on that one. What else? Was there anything else I had to mention? No, I am overall extremely happy with it. It's definitely saved me a lot of money compared to my previous ones. It's dead quiet. You don't hear the compressor come on and off, even in auto mode. On some of the air conditioners, you know, when you have auto mode on and it gets to a certain temperature, it turns off. You hear a big click, comes on again. I'm very noise sensitive. On that note, it really would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to the channel, like, maybe even share it to anyone else who's buying an air conditioner. It really makes a big difference for other people to find this video. And if you do press subscribe, there's other products I review besides phones that you may be interested in. For instance, this little gadget. This is an all-in-one remote control. It replaces all your other remotes. It's infrared, Bluetooth, operates my TV, the air conditioner, lighting, air purifier, and it's even wireless charging. Great little device. Full review. Look at previous videos I've done. This product I haven't reviewed yet. This is a new microphone system I'm testing out. Very inexpensive, great for YouTubers or anyone else that does video, wants sound. Comes with 2 microphones. Great little device. No cables. Brilliant. Other products I reviewed, state-of-the-art phones. I'm kidding. Screen protectors. Loads of other products. I love technology, love gadgets. So, see you soon. Hope you find this enjoyable. Let me know your thoughts, comments, etc., etc. Yeah, I've just noticed these things. I think maybe that's a date when it was made. Never noticed that before. Well, that tells you the model number, I guess, in case it got broken. But look at those numbers. Okay, interesting.